these. These are bike lights by Vont. And we're going to put them on our bikes because at night we don't want to get hit by a car. So we're going to put them right up on the front of our bikes here. So we're going to check those out right now. I'm going to set them over here. So I got two everything because I got two bikes. And so we're going to check it out now. Okay, so anyway, let's open it up and see what we got in here. Directions. All right, so here's our light right there. Oh, interesting. So anyway, it comes with this. You can see you can take it off of there. And I think that, I'm not sure if we need to put batteries in it or not. It's supposed to be, let's take a look. Oh yeah, so we got to get batteries in this bad boy. So I'm going to have to get those. I'm going to need 6 of those, I guess. Always got to be batteries, right? So this apparently slips in there like that. We might just cut that part off. And then once you get it in there, you tighten it down like this. That way you don't lose your light. It doesn't fall off. And then down here, you gotta undo this. And then this is gonna go around, this is gonna go around your bar. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay. So this is the back light. And apparently it's got lithium batteries in it. And you just press this, look at that. There you go. Now it's going back and forth. So it's got 3 modes. It's got 4 modes. Off, straight on, flashing, and then alternating. That's that. And that one's pretty simple. It just goes around right here. You just kind of hook it right around there. You can see how that thing right there is. Not too hard to do. This is going to go around like that. And then this part here has to come over and slide inside there, just like that. So what I've got to do is I've got to get it inside of here, right? So that's a little tricky, but it's doable. There we go. All right, I got it on there. That's it. How's that look? You can see how it works. Very simple. You just kind of pull this one over that one, and that's how that worked there. All right, so anyway, if you look, this is sliding through there, this one's on there, and that's what keeps it on there. It's just this one's tight, and then this one's got an opening, and you slip it right in there, just like that, and then bam, Bob's your uncle. Here's your different modes again. And that's it. Now we just got to put one up here. So anywho, Amazon. Who else do I get stuff from? Bam. Look at all those batteries. I got enough forever. Because I got a bunch of things that need these batteries. So we're going to go ahead, pull one of these out. I'm going to need 6 of them to put in the lights. I'm going to do that right now. All right, so we're going to pop this open. And we're going to get these babies out of there. I'm going to put the batteries in before we install the light on the bike because it's a pain in the butt to have to pull everything apart and loosen it. I just want to have it ready to go, so I just press a button and I'm golden. That's what I want. Oops, there we go. Got it. All right, so now we're going to go back to this flashlight. Now remember, we tightened it down in there, but we don't have to really untighten it. We can just pop this open like that, and then we can just pull this baby out of there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just put the negative side into the springs. That's how every one of these things works, by the way. Negative side into the spring. So 2 of them are positive up and 2 of them are down. And so it came out this way. So I'm just going to slide it back in that way. There she is. So I'm putting it in, this side down. But I don't know if it makes a bit of difference. Then we're going to take this and we're going to screw it on there. Now if you wanted to, you could just go ahead and get rid of this this thing here. You know, I mean, if you didn't want that hanging there, you could get rid of that. So let me do the other one. This one here, I'm going to just pull it out. So I've got the whole thing out. And unscrew the top. There she be. And so you can remember which way it comes out. You'll see two of these springs are on the top part. So those, so you're going to load it that way. So I'm just going to keep it right there. And I'm going to push these in. One, push these in. Two, I don't like the way that one went in. Three, then I'm going to come back. I'll put it right back to the way I took it out. Take that, screw it on there. Now we should probably do a test, right? Let's do that. So it's got a couple different modes. Here's one, there's two, there's flashing. All right, so that's it. And it shows you different settings here. So you can do, I guess it's, oh, here we go. So it's telescoping. So it makes, let me show you. So you can see that's pushed in. Now I pull it out, bam. So you can see, there it is, right? Pull it in, gets bigger, push it out, gets smaller. Pull it in, gets bigger, push it out, gets smaller. Let's see what happens when we do this. Same, you know, it's just basically the size differential. All right, so let's put these on our bike. So this is going to go right down the center there, like that. Then we're going to tighten this. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I was going the wrong way. Nice and tight. You want it tight so that it won't fall out. And then you can pull it and it won't eject itself. All right, so that's ready to go. Now we got to loosen this part here. Get that all the way undone. So now we can get it around the bike. So anyway, you want to make sure that you hold on to this because you don't want to lose it. Come underneath here. Then you're just going to come into this little spot here and you push it up and then screw it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Get her on there. And bam. Oops. This needs to be tighter. How's that? That's it. And then you can adjust it. And this you can pull. This one you pull just like I did before. Right? Alright, so that's good. Let's turn it off. And I definitely need to tighten this. I don't want it falling out. Alright, that's that. How's that look? Alright. Alright, so we got this baby on there. And works pretty good. Pull this out, push it in, makes it wider. And it's tight in there. As you can see, this is tight. And as you can see, it's got rubber around here. This is nice and tight on there. You want to make sure that this over here is tight, because if it's not, your light can slide out of there. So you got to keep that on there good. Got our bell on. We got our backlight on over here. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to put stuff on your bike. All right, peace out.